Hello friends, this is AP Bhardwaj here from Innovation Chandigarh. I am getting calls from students all over the country to know about the analysis of CLAT 2020 and 2021. For your kind information, I am glad to share that I have already provided the detailed analysis of CLAT 2020 and 2021 in the recently released new 5th reprint of my book CLAT LALR 2022. It has been released just 2-3 days back. Now the 5th successive reprint in just 3 months is a testimony to its credibility and indispensability, and it also vindicates its #1 bestseller position in the market and the online portal like Amazon and Flipkart. Now coming to the CLAT 2020 and 2021, it is a clear-cut departure from the previous pattern of CLAT 2008 to 2019. Totally clear-cut departure. If you look at the previous pattern 2008 to 2019, there used to be 200 questions, multiple choice questions, directly framed multiple choice questions with 4 options as the answers key. You have to read the question and answer. But from CLAT 2020 onwards, in 2020 and 2021, there are 150 MCQs. But all those MCQs are based on the given passages exercises. A new experiment has been made to check the level of knowledge and level of understanding of the students through the comprehension of those given passages in all the 5 sections. All the 5 sections: legal, logical, math, GK and English. All the 5 sections in CLAT 2020 and 2021 were provided through passages exercises. And all those passage exercises are in the English language. So one thing becomes crystal clear, that the segment of English has grown manifold. English language has assumed a place of preeminence. Because without a command of English language and a very rich vocabulary at your disposal, you just cannot read and comprehend the given passages in any section and cannot decipher and decode the subtle meaning and subtle ideas. And hence you will fail to answer the correct option. So if you broadly look at the pattern, there are 40 questions in the legal section, 40 questions in the GK section, current affairs based GK section, 30 directly on the English, 30 logical and 10 maths. But if you minutely scrutinize these 5 sections, the given passage exercises in these 5 sections, you will be able to decipher and decode the importance of English language. You will be able to understand that around more than 100 questions involves the role of English language. More than 100 questions demand considerable command over the English language. And vocabulary has assumed a predominant position. It is a predominant role to play. Because if you won't be able to understand the parent word underlying any idea or content or the meaning given in the passage, you won't be able to understand that passage clearly and precisely. And if you don't understand the underlying meaning or idea of any given passage in any given section clearly and correctly, concisely and precisely, you won't be able to answer any question. So one thing becomes crystal clear, that from 2020-2021 onwards, if this trend persists and continues, you have to divide half of your time of preparation for CLAT to the English section and half to the other sections. If you study 6 hours a day, you have to devote 3 hours to the English section only. And out of those 3 hours, 2 hours only to the vocabulary. Now coming to all the 5 sections one by one. If you look at the legal section, you all know that this is #1 bestseller for the last 15 years. You don't need to go anywhere else. From the page 1 to page last, go through it, solve it, and answer the question bank provided there at the end of the book on the pattern of 2020-21 pattern. You will be able to know and understand the change pattern. 40 question problem is solved. Then, if you look at the math section, it consists of 10 marks. Just refreshing 9th-10th books will be sufficient. For logical reasoning, there is an established book, R.S. Agrawal, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. And for current affairs based GK, you can subscribe to any one monthly magazine like Drishti or Vision IAS, which is available online also. You can download and take the printout. Now coming to the legal English section, you have to diversify and broaden your range and reach. You have to broaden and diversify your reading. You have to make the reading from 2 points of view. One for the core component English section, one for the overall development and for the overall improvement of the English section, and to increase your reading speed, reading skills, comprehension skills. For that, you should broaden your general reading. I have provided tips here in the analysis. How to broaden, how to diversify your reading, what types of books you should read. Okay? Then for the core component of English section, you can stick to my 2 books. My English Wizard book, which is 5 in 1. Part 1 deals with vocabulary, Part 2 deals with grammar, Part 3 deals with the errors, Part 4 deals with the comprehension, and Part 5 provides you more than 100 passages exercises. More than 100 passage exercises. I have written it over here in the book. If you look at it, I have written the names of my 2 books, English Wizard and Compulsory English. And my Compulsory English for IAS mains examination is the #1 bestseller for the last 10 years for IAS examination, for civil and judicial examination. But once you are finished with the English Wizard book, you can buy that. In that book, you will find 500 practice tests, out of which more than 200 passages exercises. Passage exercises, testing your vocabulary, testing your grammar, testing your understanding of the parts of speech. Like there are 30-40 passage exercises on the use of preposition, 10 to 20 passage exercises on the use of article, tenses, vocabulary, grammar. And when you will go through my book English Wizard, you will feel that earlier we also used to recommend vocabulary building made easy by Norman Lewis. Now if you look at that book, it consists of 700 pages and it covers around 2,000 to 3,000 words. Now for 2,000 to 3,000 words, you have to go through 700 pages. Though we also used to recommend it for the last 10-15 years, but students used to complain that it is very bulky book, very hefty book. It is not easy to cram it, to retain it, and to revise it repetitively. They always requested me to come out with a book which would sum up those 700 pages into few pages. So I have tried to sum up those words, not only those words, more than those words. I have tried to sum up 2500 most important words in the first chapter of the English Wizard, followed by 100 practice sets comprising 1000 words, and then followed by 20,000 synonymous and antonyms of those words in the next chapter, followed by thousands of MCQs. So you will feel that you need not to invest unnecessarily your time and energy on the word power made easy. Your purpose will be solved once you go through the chapter 1 and 3 of my book English Wizard. Same is with the people that they want to solve the Wren and Martin. It is again very bulky and hefty book and very theoretical also. You just need to refresh your concepts and to do practice. In order to do that, you can consult my book Compulsory English, which contains more than 500 practice tests. So, subscribe to One Monthly Magazine, go through LALR, revise and refresh the 9th and 10th mathematics books, stick to R.S. Agarwal reasoning book, and my English books English Wizard and Compulsory English. And I am pretty sure that your job will be done and you will be pretty sure to do it, to crack it easily and comfortably. For any further query or for any further assistance, you can call me at my number 8847482938. My another number 9872641491. Or you can leave your WhatsApp message, or you can mail me at my mail ID apb.innovation@gmail.com. And this book is available from today itself in the market and on the online portal. If you already have that, then you need not to buy that. If you don't have, then buy it, don't delay it. It is a must-read book. Without it, you just cannot qualify. You just cannot, it will not be easy for you to qualify. Instead of going for haywire, instead of going here and there, looking here and there, looking after this way or that way, just stick to this book. Your 40 questions are secure. If you look at it, there are testimonials by the toppers who passed from NLU Delhi, now I am an IAS officer, passed from NLS Bangalore, National Law College Kolkata, GLC Mumbai, and all other toppers. There are testimonials. You can go through them. They are genuine. They are not manufactured or doctored. They are genuine feedbacks. They were my students who have been taught by me single-handedly, personally at my institute, Innovation, Chandigarh. Thank you, friends. Have a